赵晨，凡间文化习俗的资料怎么一点进展都没有？快下凡去找！
哎呦，真糟糕！预备搞时髦，我这老古董需要进修了。快找人来了，哪一些资料造成难做啊？怎么没找掉？
Something doesn't smell right.
Hey, stop.
Who are you?
You're in the kitchen. You don't know who am I? Aiyo, I'm kitchen god. 灶神. I tell you, your laksa don't smell very right.
This recipe has been passed down by my parents for over 50 years.
Really? Why you add belacan? Why you add coconut milk?
This is the Peranakan version that I'm doing. It's a combination of Malay and Hokkien culture. You might be thinking of the Assam laksa, which is more commonly found in Penang. But both has one common ingredient, which is the laksa leaf.
Oh, very good. You sound like a laksa professor. Why you want to do this Peranakan version, eh?
It's because I'm trying to chase a girl that I like.
I like. Now I know why is it that this dish has got so many different versions. It depends on your geographical location. So if you're Peranakan, you add siham. If you're from Penang, you add fish. And I'm from heaven, I should add some magic. Am I right?
Laksa is a dish that is formed by multicultural interaction.
Perfect. Wow, this smells really good.
And that reminds me of a lovely legend story of a Fujian merchant who came to Singapore and married a Katong Nonya. With her family recipe, they made a living selling laksa on the streets. So, you must tell the girl that you like that both of you should combine your efforts and make a good living for yourself.
Yes, I will.
Now, let me try your laksa. Even if you don't win her heart,
You already win my heart lah.
Dear J Emperor, today I met a very nice young man who poured his soul into a bowl of laksa to win over a girl he loves. Much like love, I learned that laksa is a combination of people mixed into one bowl. It is the melding of cultures, each bowl unique to the individual that makes that bowl of love.